Welders need to find high-quality work boots because their job is very demanding and requires them to be on their feet for long periods of time. The boots need to be tough enough to protect the feet from sparks and heat, but also comfortable enough to wear all day. There are many products available to choose from, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customers, and compiled a list of the best work boots for welders from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Irish Setter Men's Wingshooter Work Boot. The Irish Setter Men's Wingshooter Work Boots are an incredibly comfortable option to consider for welders. These boots are made from 100% leather, and the insoles are very easy on the feet. One of the biggest things that I liked about these boots is that they have incorporated some really cool features that separate them from their competitors. This work boot has a heat-resistant insole that can handle temperatures up to 475 degrees Fahrenheit without melting. They are also ergonomically designed to include a safety toe that is designed to meet the ASTM F2413-1175C75 standard. This standard deals with impacts and compression. This shoe is not perfect and it can be a bit clunky, especially if used very extensively. However, with that being said, this shoe is still great for welders. The amber leather and lightweight design make them very appealing. They also come in a variety of size, including those for wide feet. Number 2. Timberland Pro Men's Boondock Industrial Boot. Timberland is one of the world's leaders in high-end industrial shoes for welders. The Timberland Pro Boondock is no exception. This shoe is built from a tough alloy material that is designed for stressful and strenuous work environments. On top of this, it is coated with a waterproofing membrane that lasts even as the shoe is exposed to treacherous environmental conditions. This work boot is not perfect, and it can come across as being very bulky and heavy as it is purpose-built for industrial settings. With that being said, the outsole is made and purpose-built to be able to handle all different types of weathers. The REBOTL material is also pathogen-resistant, keeping the shoe healthier and stronger for longer. Number 3. Iron Age Men's Groundbreaker IA5016 Work Boot. The Iron Age Men's Groundbreaker Work Boot is a good option for welders looking for work boots who operate in highly condensed environments. It has a rubber lug outsole with great waterproofing capabilities. It is also designed with ASTM F2413 safety standards. The stitching is also quite high quality, made from very good Kevlar stitching. The shoe could fit slightly better, however, with that being said, this shoe is very ergonomically designed with comfortable insole. Number 4. Carhartt Men's Waterproof Wedge Steel Toe. The Carhartt Men's Waterproof Wedge Steel Toe is one of the best work boots for welders, due to its alignment with the ASTM F2413-18A standard. It is ergonomically designed to include moisture management technology and electrical hazard protection. This tool could be better, as one person mentioned that it can be quite stiff straight from the box. However, after wearing the shoe a couple of times, then the comfort comes through. It also has a multi-layered shock absorption capability that ensures the force of anything falling on your feet is mitigated. Number 5. Cat Footwear Men's Core Revolver. All the work boots in this guide are fantastic and incredible. However, the Cat Men's Core Revolver has got to be my best pick. This shoe is made from very tight stitching in 100% leather. Over and above this, it is very durable in industrial environments, coupled with good waterproofing. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.